My name is Anirudh and I am 6 years old. My topic for today is choosing a planet other than Earth to live on. I would like to live on Saturn because it is the most beautiful planet in the solar system because of its rings. This is the picture of Saturn with my house on it. First, I will design one type of metal wings light enough to fly all the way to Saturn in just half a day. I will build an engine and make sure it is powerful enough to fly at top speed. Unlike Earth, Saturn is a gas planet, so we will build a house out of special material that will attract gas, just like magnets. Otherwise, the house would fly off into space. Then I would need a ladder as long as the gap between the first ring and the planet. I need the ladder to explore the rings. I will take a magnifying glass to check if there are really thousands of rings and if they are really made up of rocks and ice. Then I would invent shoes with curved blades so that they can balance with the rings very well. Otherwise I would fall into outer space and out of the galaxy and into another galaxy which has areas that could be dangerous. These blades will also help me cut through the rings. I bet that some of the rocks are as small as a pea and some are as big as a house. So just to check the size, I will use a giant plane to pick up the biggest rock and put it next to the house and compare which is bigger. I actually thought of taking a paper, a pencil, and measuring tape to note the measurements of the biggest rock and the house, but the paper would fly off into space because there is no gravity in space. I will use a telescope to check if Saturn has 46 moons or not. If I were to go there today, by the time it orbits once, I should be almost 36 years old because it takes 30 years for Saturn to orbit around the Sun. I will have a fun time exploring and verifying all the facts I have learned so far. I learned about these facts in books like First Encyclopedia, Discover the Planets, and The Magic School Bus Lost in the Solar System. Thank you all for listening. Any questions?